friends, welcome. Oh, what's that? Did I dazzle you with my nails? Yeah, I went a little overboard with my New Year's nails. For those of you that are new here, hi, I'm Sara. I love to plan, and I'm going to be doing my first monthly spread of 2023. I am so excited. Fresh new beginning, new start, and I'm using this gorgeous sticker kit from Lexie Kylee Designs. It comes with all these sheets here, and you can choose whether you want a checklist or deco sidebar. I bought these credit card icons from her shop as well, and these minimalist icons. So everything Lexie Kylee Designs for the spread. You can tell I'm a fan. As a matter of fact, I will only use Lexie Kylee Designs monthly sticker kits and also Hello Petite Paper. Those are the only two shops that I use for monthlies. One reason is because I can't really find good monthly sticker kits out there. If you know of a shop that I can try, let me know in the comments, because I'm a creature of habit and I'll stick to things that I've done for a long time. So that's what I've been doing. I've been using her and Vanessa's kits for like the last 2 years. I laid down my sidebar and I love this date cover sticker, Trust the Magic of New Beginnings. It's so perfect for January, especially New Year. Like it's a new beginning, an opportunity for you to reset and restart. I love using these highly decorative stickers. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I am using this very beautiful sticker to highlight New Year's Day, of course. And I have a leftover sticker sheet from Lexie Kylee Designs from last year. I got the new holiday sticker sheet this year, but I had a few leftovers that I hadn't used. Not sure why, but I don't want to be wasteful, so I want to use those up first. You know, your stickers expire. She had these freebies in her Black Friday sale. They are so cute. I need to use them up. I love this Hello 2023 for this spread. And there's this other 2023 sticker that I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it's so cute. I'm setting down my date dots now. If you haven't set your goals already, or if you have, let me know in the comments, what do you want to accomplish next year? I also have a video up on my channel about my goal setting process. It goes into the nitty-gritty about journaling, about your goals, like finding out what you really want to accomplish. So I love doing that. I love resetting every year. And I know it can be helpful possibly if you like that sort of thing. I'm setting down this Martin Luther King Day sticker. For the month of January, I only had one birthday, which is a shame because I love using these cute little birthday balloon stickers. Now I'm jumping into these label stickers, which I will be using to mark my bill dues. I love all the icons that her kits come with because they're really tiny. They're perfect for the monthly kit, and I pair them up with these labels. There are times when I don't have enough labels, so I'll just kind of put more than one icon sticker on a label, or just not use one at all, just use the icons. But I love the visual reminder of things because paying bills is not fun. So just having a cute way to kind of remind you that you need to pay something makes everything more interesting. Every Saturday there are two things that I do, which is upload a blog post and go to my Pure Barre exercise class. So I use those minimalist icons to highlight that. I'm setting down my deco. You just gotta use this deco wherever you can. It's so beautiful. It adds an embellishment to your sticker spread. I like using my Inkjoy gel pen. I love this brown ink, especially like with the color scheme of this. I don't always like using black ink, but not just blue ink either. I like it to match, but there's just something about brown that adds, I don't know, elegance, I guess. On my sidebar, I wrote down things that are important to me, like my Sarah's planner, my bookkeeping business, things that I'm going to do this month, what I'm going to read, which I usually only read like half a book a month, but I'm gonna try to read more this month. I developed a system where I'm actually reading at the gym. Like I'll take my Kindle and just put it in front of the treadmill. That's worked wonders for me because I can read more. Voila! Optimized and organized. If you've come this far, I have some good news. I have a giveaway coming up, so stay tuned for that. And these are the leftover stickers, the freebies, and the sticker sheets. I'll probably use some of those up as the month goes on, like for events or anything new that comes up. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for more planning inspo. See you around.